roots in the mud, sun just a bruise on the land. Steel in my hands, name in the dust I stand. Bum 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 bum.
Welcome back to another video. My name is David and you're watching Delta Whiskey 25, the heavy equipment operator. Now currently, I'm seeing how this new fix goes. So I got all loaded up, sort of, and I'm getting ready to dump. But as you can see, it is super dusty. But it is what it is until we get some rain. But we're still going to be dumping over there somewhere. See if we can get this dry powder dirt to get all packed down and stuff. Hopefully we can get some harder dirt and see how that goes. Holy moly, guys. Talked to the foreman. My power was going down a little bit. He told me to check the air filter, so I did that. When I took that son of a gun out, oh man, it was heavy. It had to have been like 10-15 pounds. And then I started banging it out and trying to get all that dirt out. It was a lot lighter. So at the end of the day, when we start going back, I'll take it in and blow it out, and then tomorrow should be good. We got a new exhaust pipe. The other one broke. And yeah, I mean, not a whole lot that we can do. The wind's picking up, so any movement with any vehicle is just, it almost looks like the Dirty 30 is just a wall of dirt flying towards the north. We need some rain, that's for sure. Depending on how the weather is this weekend, we'll go ahead and go to the farm. Gotta help them guys get that place cleaned up. We might stay there a couple days, just so, you know, it's a lot easier to help them out with, 2 days or however long that I stay there. Let's see. I think from what Mom told me, they got Uncle Daniel's tractor fixed, and hopefully it can start working. I mean, we're going to be full tilt, I mean, there's not a whole lot to say besides, keep doing what you're doing. Keep liking these videos, sharing them, share with your friends, comment, subscribe. And like I said in yesterday's video, like, once we hit 50 subscribers, I'll figure out how I can do a live on this phone. And then, yeah, we'll get to know each other. I know that I can do a live right now with my laptop, but because of camera quality and stuff like that, I don't want to do it just yet. So, until then, it'll just, especially with the whole camera deal, I believe this weekend or either today or tomorrow. Sorry, I had a sneeze. A whole bunch of dust was in my nose. Like I was saying, with the whole not having a good camera besides having this phone, I mean, I can't really show you how this thing works just yet, because I want to be able to have a constant, footage of either me running all these controls or, you know, having you guys see that thing run back there. You know, I want to make a good video for you guys. With that being said, stay tuned. I'm probably not going to be doing much, just due to, you know, I mean, you can see it, well, sort of. I mean, it's just dirt, you know, flying around. It's hard to see. I don't want to hit the guys down there, so I'm just going to stay put for a while until maybe this wind dies down. Now, I've been sitting here for a while, and I just wanted you to see what I'm dealing with. And as you can see, there is a cloud of dust blowing that way. And there's a loader and a dozer somewhere in that mess. Now up here, it's all nice. I mean, you can see the wind, and I do need a windshield wiper. I know that. But this has been constant. A constant wall of dust all day long. So I've been sitting here, just about right here. And yeah. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe, do whatever. Check out my dad's channel at Farm Life of the Wolfpack and see what kinds of stuff he has. And we'll see you next time.